Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chipra. Hope you are doing great. Today in this video I'm going to share as per your moon sign at what age a person will get success in their life, career wise and the finances wise. Along with that, I will be going to help you out with the remedies also that you should do to overcome the challenges and the obstacles in your life related to the career and the finances. You must have noticed in your life sometimes people get success in their early age, but sometimes people have to put a lot of hard work. With the hard work also they never get the success. So in this video I'm going to discuss in brief that at what age planet will be aligned in your favor and you are going to get success, at what age your positive yogs are going to open for you as per your moon sign. Along with that, I will be going to help you out with the remedies also that you should do without miss to enhance your luck finances wise and the career wise. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos. First moon sign is a Aries. For the Aries people, the main ruling planet for them is Mars. And it has been seen that Mars get positively activated for them at the age of 19, 28, 37 and 55. So usually these people get success at this particular age. Their career will be on peak and they will be going to get the financial benefits. It has also been noticed that they get success with their own hard work. These people should not rely on luck. With their own hard work they get success in this particular age. To enhance your luck finances wise and the career wise, to overcome the challenges, make sure that daily you are offering red flower to Ma Lakshmi. If it's not possible you to offer daily red flower to Ma Lakshmi, then make sure that every Friday you are visiting to Ma Lakshmi temple and offering red color flower, or in your home temple also you can offer. This will help you out to enhance your sign is Taurus. The main ruling planet for the Taurus people is Venus. Usually it has been noticed at the age of 29, 38 and at the age of 56 their career will be on peak and they get the sudden financial gains. It has been noticed that their life partner are very lucky to them. Their spouse are very lucky to them. After marriage their luck got enhanced. To enhance your luck, you have to make sure that you are always respecting your partner. You are spending quality time with your partner because the main ruling planet is for you is Venus. With the luck of your partner only you get the financial benefits. To enhance your luck, you have to make sure that you are always keeping the clear quartz or wearing the clear quartz. It will help you out to enhance. These people get success finances wise and the career wise at the age of 27, 36, 45 and 57. Their main ruling planet is Mercury. It has been noticed that they get a lot of support from their father, as well as gradually and slowly they get success in their life finances wise and the money wise. To enhance your luck, you have to make sure that you are wearing the orange aventurine crystal, and even ruby help you a lot to enhance your luck. People get success finances wise and career wise at the age of 23, 32, 27, 48 and 58. Their ruling planet is Moon. It has been noticed that they get support of their parents as well as with their own hard work they get the success. Usually Cancer moon sign people are lucky money wise as they are always blessed by Lord Shiva. So money keep on coming to them. Maybe the savings will be the problem. To enhance your luck money wise and the finances wise and the career wise, make sure that daily you are applying rose ether plus Ganga Jal, as well as mix rose ether, Ganga Jal and the rose water together, and daily apply it on your forehead, on your neck and behind your ears. This will help you out to enhance your luck finances. Few people get success at the age of 28, 32, 50 and 68. Their main ruling planet is Lord Surya. It has been noticed with their own hard work they get the success in their life. To enhance their luck, make sure that daily you are offering elaichi to goddess Lakshmi and daily drink elaichi water daily without miss. It will help you out to enhance your luck career wise and the finances. For you at the age of 15, 24, 34 and 42 you get the success. It has been noticed that your partner is very lucky to you. After the marriage your luck will be enhanced, and with the support of your partner, you are going to get a lot of success in your life career wise and the finances wise. You should pray to Lord Shiva daily Offer water to Lord Shiva daily, and if possible, try to wear the silver ring in your little finger or wear the silver chain. It will help you out to enhance your luck career-wise and the finances. People usually get success finances-wise and the career-wise at the age of 16, 34, 42 and 51. To enhance your luck career-wise and the finances-wise, you should always pray to Lord Surya. Offer water to Lord Surya daily and listen to 108 name of Lord Surya. This will help you out to enhance your luck finances-wise and the career. People usually get success late finances-wise and the career-wise. They get success at the age of 35, 42, 55 and 62. It has been noticed usually they get success late. In the starting years they have to put a lot of hard work to get the success, but as their age got increased, they started getting gradually and slowly they started getting the success. To enhance your luck career wise and the finances wise, make sure that you are praying to Lord Ganesha. Offer Durva to Lord Ganesha daily, and if possible try to chant or listen to Ganesh Atharvashish Path. It will help you. And always respect your father, because fathers plays a very important role for the Scorpio moon sign to get success career wise. Moon sign people usually get success at the age of 36, 45, 54 and 63. They get success with their own hard work. In the early stage they have to go through a lot of ups and downs in their life career wise and the finances wise, but after the age of 36 and as the years mentioned, they started getting the success in their life. To enhance your luck, make sure that you are praying to Goddess Lakshmi. Offer rose ether to Goddess Lakshmi and make sure that you are also applying rose ether daily. It will help you out to enhance your luck career wise. People usually get success late in their life. It has been noticed at the age of 28, 37, 46 and 55 they get the success, and they get success after a lot of hard work and the struggles. To enhance your luck career wise and the finances wise, make sure you are praying to Lord Hanuman daily, and you should chant Hanuman Chalisa daily morning. And Aquarius people usually get success at the age of 29, 38, 47 and 57. Actually, Aquarius people are actually blessed by the universe. They are blessed by the God. Usually they get money easily in their life, but because they sometimes take money for granted, due to which they face ups and downs in their life. Otherwise, Aquarius people are actually money wise, they are blessed by the universe. To enhance your luck money wise and the career wise, make sure that you are wearing turquoise. This will help you out. Pisces people get success at the age of 29, 38 and 57. Usually it has been noticed that the Pisces people, their children are very lucky to them. Their luck actually get enhanced after their child are born, and they get a lot of support from their child. To enhance your luck, make sure that you are lighting up a lamp near the people tree every Saturday. If you don't have a people tree nearby, then you should light up a lamp daily near your main gate. It will also help you out to enhance your luck. Share your moon sign in the comments. And if you like the video and you find this information relevant, then try to share this video with your loved one. And don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the icon button. Thank you and have a great day.